A new patient. Oh, I got the hiccups and I got them bad. Nurse Maggie, begin preparation of the secret hiccup relief. Milk. Ice cream. Maple syrup. Peanut butter. Hot sauce. No way, man. I knew it. Not enough hot sauce. Climb into the treatment apparatus, please. Confidentially, Nurse Maggie, this treatment has occasional side effects. But the side effects are threatening, are they not, Nurse Maggie? I'm stumped, Nurse Maggie. This is the worst case of hiccups we've ever treated.
And we died.
That's it! A combination of our previous techniques followed by the scare treatment. Can't miss. I pronounce this patient cured.